Its lifted ride height and tough-looking exterior allow the 2023 Subaru Outback to blend in among SUVs, but its station wagon body gives you added practicality. While it can venture further off-road than a traditional station wagon, you won't see the Outback tackling trails in Moab next to Jeep Wranglers or Ford Broncos. Shoppers have the choice of either a non-turbo or turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but all Outbacks come standard with all-wheel drive and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Rivals including the Audi A4 Allroad and the Volvo V60 Cross Country offer similar looks, but the Outback has the lifted station wagon aesthetic and capability for thousands less than those luxury cars. Subaru has made a few alterations to the 2023 Outback. Tweaked front-end styling includes a larger grille, revised headlamps, and a new front bumper. The car's driver assistance features are improved by cameras with a wider field of view. We think the premium model has the best set of standard and optional features for the price. While it's only available with the standard 182 horsepower 4-cylinder, upgrading to the turbocharged 260 horsepower engine costs at least $6,000. We don't think the turbo's improved acceleration and the 800 pounds of extra towing capacity are worth the money considering what buyers will be looking for in a vehicle. The Outback Premium comes standard with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, a 4G LTE mobile hotspot, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, more USB ports, and options that aren't offered on the base model. Among those, we'd opt for the more affordable package that adds blind spot monitoring, a hands-free power liftgate, and passive entry with push-button start. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Outback lineup features a pair of flat 4-cylinder engines, a 182 horsepower 2.5-liter is standard and a 260 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter is optional. Both mate to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, that mimics an 8-speed gearbox to mitigate annoying engine drone. Of course, all Outbacks have standard all-wheel drive, which is a Subaru staple, except for the rear-drive BRZ Sports Coupe. The Outback we tested with the standard engine delivered unremarkable acceleration and lazy transmission behavior. While the turbocharged version was considerably quicker, it was plagued by the same recalcitrant transmission. Still, most Outback owners are more concerned with ride quality and the car's ability to handle light off-road driving. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and all-wheel drive, the wagon is easily able to navigate inclement weather and even muddy, rutted roads. For maximum go-anywhere capability, select the Wilderness model, which boasts 9.5 inches of ground clearance as well as a beefed-up suspension, skid plates to protect its underside, and a drive mode selector with snow and mud modes. The Outback's suspension provides a docile ride, and its steering is accurate and easy to manage on the highway. However, it lacks any athleticism, which might surprise WRX fans switching to the more practical wagon. The wagon's standard engine also can tow 2,700 pounds, while the turbocharged version can pull 3,500. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates the standard Outback will earn 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. The turbocharged version sees a significant dip in efficiency, with ratings of 23 miles per gallon city and 30 highway. In contrast, its legacy counterpart has thriftier powertrains. Its base engine is expected to earn 27 to 35 mpg city highway and the turbocharged option has estimates of 24-32 mpg city highway. We tested an Outback with each of these engines on our 200-mile real-world highway fuel economy route, and they returned an identical 28 miles per gallon. The sedan with the turbocharged 4-cylinder got 34 miles per gallon in that same test. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Outback shares much of its interior with the Legacy, and both have comfortable accommodations and quality materials. While Subaru's cabin design borders on boring, it's functional and has a high seating height. Aside from the base model, every Outback has dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and copious USB ports. More upscale features such as a heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, a power-adjustable front passenger seat, and heated rear seats are available on fancier trim levels. The Outback also has a spacious back seat that offers an extra 1.4 inches of legroom compared with the previous generation. Its rear cargo area provides 33 cubic feet of space. In our testing, it held 11 carry-on suitcases with the back seat up and 23 bags with it folded flat. The Legacy accepted 8 and 22 suitcases, respectively, in the same tests. Infotainment and connectivity. Base Outbacks feature two stacked 7.0-inch touchscreens, but all other models have a massive 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen. Along with large touch icons and quick response times, the big screen features a rotary volume and tuning knob as well as some physical buttons for climate settings, which makes them easier to use. While built-in navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless device charging are optional, Apple CarPlay Android Auto integration is standard. Buyers who choose the top-tier limited and touring trim levels get a 12-speaker, 576-watt Harman Kardon audio system. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.